Eka Sat Purusha Loke. Who is that Purushan? That Purushan who is walking along with Lakshmana and Sita is the Sat Purusha. Do the Anvayam like that. Eka Sat Purusha Loke. Lakshmana Saha Sitaya. If you Anvayam like this, if you club Lakshmana to the previous words, then it refers as an adjective to Lakshmana. That is not the intent of Mahakavi Mahamuni Valmiki. He is telling Ekasat Purushaha Kim Narayana Rama Ekasat Purushaha Loke Lakshmanaha Sahasitaya. Why is that? He is the Supreme. Purusha Evedagum Sarvam Yadbhutam Yachabhavyam Utamritatvasyeşanah Yadannenati Rohati. Purusha Evedagum Sarvam. Understand, he is the Purusha. Who is that Purusha? That Purusha is walking before us as a Manusham Daivam Manushya Rupena Charati. So that Purusha is the Sat Purusha to whom we should do Charanagati. That Purusha is nothing but he is being walked, he is being served by Lakshmana, he is being served by Sita. Yaha anugacchati kakutsam Ramameva Sat Purusha Loke Eka. Purusha Evedagum Sarvam Yadbhutam Yachabhavyam. What is happening before? He is. What is going to happen? He is. So he is an embodiment of everything. Utamritatvasya Ishaha Amrita Isha. He is the controller of the bliss. Ut Tasya Uditi iti Nama. U Mane Uditi iti Nama. If it is U, referred by U, Chandokya says that Supreme Tasya Ut iti Nama. He is referred by letter U. Why U? U starts with like this. It's like a simplification of Omkara. Akara, Makara, Ukara. Everything comes in U. Who? So it unites Jivatma with Paramatma with the help of a Purushakara Bhuta, which is nothing but Ma Sita. And he is the one who is giving himself. Yata Annena Atirohati. He is protecting the world from extinction with Anna. Here Anna Mane, him himself. The Supreme itself is manifesting in everybody. Chetana, Achetana Varshu. He is embodied, he is into every Chetana, Achetana Vastu. That is why Valmiki refers that all the trees, they welcomed him even though it is the night time. It is on the Pushya Nakshatra's night time, early morning, before Aruna Udayam. All the flowers blossom, Valmiki will say. Likewise, he is into everybody. He is an embodiment of everything. Chetana, Achetana Padartha. So he is inside, you cannot separate him. So, Ekasat Purusho Lokaha, that Purusha who is manifested in this world as whether chair or tree or anything, he is there. And there is a Vyakhana Kartas gives an example. Krishna Gata, blue book. Blue is a color. It's an entity, it's a guna. Right? And the book is there. And blue is a color, blue is an entity, or blue is a guna. But you cannot know that guna until it takes some shape to it. Likewise, the Paramatman is inside you. This book is not visible if it doesn't have a black print in it or it doesn't have a blue color into it. Even though it is blue and book, you can only see it as a blue book. Similarly, Krishna Gata. If it is a black pot, black is a guna, pot is a pot. But can you separate it? Although these two are separate, you can only see it as a unique entity, as a Krishna Gata, like a blue book. Likewise, like you have a color which is separate, which is a guna, but the guna cannot be seen, but it could be seen as an entity, whole entity, as a book or as a vastra or whatever it is, curtain. Likewise, this Parabrahma Swarupam is inside everybody. It is you to see him. That is Visishtadvaita. So you are seeing, today you are seeing, there will be a reference here to Agastya. Probably next chapter, I guess. So all these rishis have seen, even though he is inside you, you are not him. He is a niyanta for you. That is Visishtadvaita. So we'll go with that. So he is a niyanta. Niyanta is niyanta. Niyanta cannot be jivatma. Niyanta is inside you, who is controlling you, who is an Ishvara. So that understanding comes only if you have a Bhakti qualified jnana, Bhakti Rupapanna jnana atyeva tad vishayam. Okay, so that's what Valmiki brings, a great concept here. Ekasat purusho loke. Then I'm not seeing the Purusha, you are seeing. You are seeing in Jitubai Maharaj, you are seeing in Shreyas Brahmachari, like that. But then you cannot say that that Antaryami is the supreme. Jani Janardana Bhava. So this kind of a Visishtadvaita Siddhanta, Valmiki brings it here. Of course, people can interpret in their own way. Mera das to Visishtadvaiti hai, isliye I have done that. So it's like that. Ekasat purusho loke lakshmanaha saha sitaya yo anugachanti ka putsam